Good morning, everyone. I'm Meena. I'm a second-year PhD student in the Monaghan Lab from Trinity Centre for Biomedical Engineering, Trinity College Dublin. And I'm also a student of the 2019 Lifetime CDT cohort. Today, I'm going to talk about what it was like to do a PhD during a pandemic. When we kicked off our PhDs in 2019, the world was a different place. 2 weeks into our PhDs, our rotational training started, and the first stop was Birmingham. We got introduced to the labs of University of Birmingham and Aston University. We got to meet the professors and coordinators, and we had a great time there. We had some hands-on training on bioreactors and hydrogel fabrication, but the highlight of the trip was that we got to meet each other and hang out and do some ghetto golfing. The next week, we were in NUI Galway. We had excellent talks from Curam professors, and we got introduced to the labs as well. And after a fun-filled week in Galway, we were in Glasgow. After the first night doing some fairly competitive bowling, we had a week of amazing lectures and some hands-on cell culture, imaging and image analysis training. After celebrating a terrific Halloween together, we all got back to our host institutions to start working on our projects. But soon, it was Stakeholder Day 2020. We reunited again in Glasgow and had an excellent, very successful Stakeholder Day 2020. We got to meet the academics, our industry partners, the steering group, and iClub members. The event was very thought-provoking and got us all thinking about how to increase our partnerships with industries. But in a couple of months' time, things changed. We had to stop our lab work, we had to terminate our cell cultures, work from home, and figure out a routine to do all of this. Initially, we were all a bit lost and confused, but our PIs and the CDT team gave us tremendous support. We started off writing literature reviews and review papers initially, and the CDT started organizing regular coffee catch-ups with us, and Matt, Catherine, Michelle, Amy, Emma, Mihai, etc. And this really kept our morales high. We would discuss very engaging and pressing topics every meeting, and we've been keeping this tradition up to this day, and we hope this keeps going. And the CDT was very quick at organizing a number of activities for us. We had multidisciplinary lectures from lecturers within the CDT, and this helped us familiarize with techniques and activities going on in other labs. We had connecting with the industry training, we had intellectual property training, we had responsible research innovation training, and we had a number of invaluable lectures from our industry partners about their journeys and their experiences. Some of us coordinated and some of us attended the Future Leaders Joint CDT conference, and we were thoroughly mentored and trained to enter the Dragon's Den and pitch for a project idea. The experience we gathered from these activities cannot be paralleled. While all of these trainings were in place, we were working on our blog posts for the CDT website, and we also organized regular journal clubs where we discussed papers that were relevant to our research and also about COVID sometimes. Later in the year, we had trainings from LGC, we had a certificate training on leadership and project management, and we slowly eased back into the lab. We've been in touch with the Equality, Diversity and Inclusion Committee, where students discuss needs on that front. And with the entry of the new cohort, we've been having quiz nights and online murder mystery events, and we had a virtual Christmas celebration as well. The CDT planned so many activities. I'm sorry if I missed out on a couple in between. However, there is one activity that all of us thoroughly enjoyed, and that is scientific drawing with Mathis. As you can see here, the picture on the left is a sample of what Mathis teaches us, and the picture on the right is us showing off our sketching skills. And on that note, I'd like to thank the whole CDT team for keeping us motivated and engaged, all the students for our perseverance, and for constantly being there for each other, reinforcing the value of having a family away from home. And our stakeholders, industry partners, steering group, iClub members for all the support and guidance. Thank you.